Okay, is it clear, Nama?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh.
Is
So
it
in the
clear,
last
sir?
class, I wrote some numbers that is from 0 to 9, and I have written in the 0 to 0 1 format. Okay, like a binary number. Okay, why? Because the computer can understand only the binary numbers. Okay, that's the reason I wrote all those numbers in a binary number. But suppose I write the number as 0, so that will be converted into only the zeros format. So how should I write that number? So here 0 can be written in the form of only 0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 0, 1.
Okay, so that will be written in the form of 0, 0, 0, 1. Sir, how do you write 0, 0, 1? So here you can consider this number as a, you can consider this number as a, you can
Sir,
consider
your
this
voice.
number
Yes. Your screen, sir.
as
Your voice is talking. Sir, your voice is not clear.
you can consider this number, this part as a 0.
Sir, sir, this is my first class joining, sir. We don't know what you have
Sorry,
said before.
sorry, sorry.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Wait for 2 minutes.
Sir, I can't
Please
see your screen,
on
sir.
your mic, then only voice will be clear. If not, nobody can
Okay,
hear you.
now it
Your
will be
voice is
okay.
not at all
So here,
clear, sir.
okay, now it will be okay. Now it will be okay.
Sir, this is my
So
first
you
class
can.
joining, sir. I don't know what you.
No problem, no problem. No problem. This is also a basic. This is also a basic concept. So
Sir,
don't
did
worry
you
about that
revise?
class. Okay. Okay.
Sir, did
So
you
in the
revise?
last class we have discussed about. Okay, I will rewind. I will rewind after this topic, ma. I will rewind after this topic. Okay, that is a 5 minutes topic. I will explain. Okay. So
Okay,
you can concentrate on this topic. This is entirely different topic. Okay, that is an entirely different topic. So please concentrate on this one. So here, the basic point for this one, the computer can understand only the zeros and one. Either it will understand zero or
1.
1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Okay. ఓపెన్ అయింది, ఇంకా ఓపెన్ అవుతుందా? వ్యూ వ్యూ కాదు, ఇది ఓకే. ఇది పోతుందన్నా, ఇది ఫుల్ స్క్రీనే కదా, ఇది ఫుల్ స్క్రీనే, దీన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ ఇది ఫుల్. ఓకే ఓకే. Okay, is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it visible?
It is
Okay. So already you know that the computer can understand only the 0 or 1. Already you understand that. So in the last class, and I am repeating computer can understand. So whatever your language, that is English language and Telugu, Hindi, like that, no language can be understand. The computer can understand only the machine language. That is, so the machine language is in the form of either it will be a 0 or it will be a 1. So now in this class, we are going to look at how the numbers will be converted from our numbers, that is our numeric number or decimal number, to the binary number. So first you can denote the one. I will give the one formula to you, so you can remember this: 8, 4, 2, 1. So is it simple, right? So 8, 4, 2, 1. Suppose you need to write the number as 0. You need to write the number as 0. So in how many places we need to keep the 0? That you need to know. So you need to write the number as 0. So in the 8th place, you need to keep the 0. In the 4th place also, you need to keep the 0. And 2 place, and in the 1 place, and total 0. Okay, this will be the representation of the 0. And next, how we represent the 1? So you need to represent the 1 as, so in the 8th place, you need to keep the 0, and in the 4th place, 0, and in the 2 place, 0. Sorry, 1. So in the 2 place also 0, and in the 1 place, you need to keep the 1. So this is the representation of the 1. So now anyone can tell me what is the representation of the 2 using the binary number?
Zero,
So
zero,
there
zero,
is
one,
no
zero,
0. In the 4th place also 0.
zero,
And in the
zero,
1st
one,
place,
zero.
you can keep
second
the
place,
One,
1.
zero.
and in the 1st place. Okay. So now this is very interesting now. So in which places we need to keep the 0 here? In the 8th place, obviously it will be 0. And in the 4th place,
Double
also
zero,
0.
double one.
So when we combine the 2 and 1, and when we combine the 2 and 1, we will get the 3. So in the 2's place 1, and in the 1 place also 1. So that like that, 2
Yes,
plus
sir.
1 is 3. So I am writing the 3. And next, you need to write the 4. How I am going to write the 4? So obviously there is a
zero,
number
one,
zero,
one, zero, zero.
One zero
zero,
zero.
zero. Okay. So in the 4th place, I keep the 1, and in the remaining the. Okay. So next, anyone can tell me what is the number 5? How to represent the 5?
Zero, one,
Zero, one,
zero,
zero.
one, zero,
Zero,
one,
one,
zero,
zero.
zero,
0
So
1
when
0
we
1.
combine the 4 plus 1, we
Zero
will get
one.
the 5.
Zero one. Zero one.
Right. 0, 1, 0, 1. That's fine. Okay, now write the 6.
0 double 1 0.
0 1 1 0.
Okay, 4 plus 2 is the 6. 4 plus 2 is the 6. Like that, I'm writing the 6 as in. So, what are the remaining numbers? That is 7.
0
9.
1 0
How many?
0 0 triple 1
0 plus 2 is 1.
0 triple 1
1
Next,
triple 0.
how? So 8 is already there. So you need to write 1
1 0
triple
0
zero.
0
1 triple 0
Okay, 8 is already there.
0 0 1.
This is also 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay,
9
1 triple 0.
1 0
1
And next
0
one,
0
how
1
to write the 9?
1 0
So
0
8 plus 1 is the
0
9.
1
8
1
place,
0
1 place.
1
So
0
that is
0
so like that
1
you need to
0
represent the. Okay, so now, sir, how I am going to write the 10?
Sir, I didn't get it. I didn't
1
understand.
0 1
1 0 1
0.
0
Excuse me, sir.
0 1 0.
Sorry, sorry.
1 0 1
Who
0
don't understand?
1 0 1
Sir,
0
I
Sir,
didn't understand.
Didn't get it.
sir, can you
Sir,
your voice? Can you audible?
0 1
Sorry,
8.
sorry. Please mute all of you. If some person having a doubt, please ask.
1 0.
Nandani mute చేశారా? I didn't understand this.
Please all of you mute. All of you mute. I will repeat this. Okay. So basically the computer can understand only the binary language or machine language. So the binary language is in the form of 0 as well as 1. Either you can represent in the 0 or 1. So in our session, I am explaining that how to represent the numbers. So these numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, we can call it as a number as decimal numbers. Decimal number. Sir, why we call this as a decimal number? And why we call this number as a decimal number? So you can count all these numbers. We can call it as a how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 numbers. So we can call it as a decimal number. All these 0 to 9, we can call it as a decimal number. So how these decimal numbers? So these decimal numbers, the human can understand these decimal numbers, but the computer cannot understand these type of decimal numbers. So we need to convert. So the computer. So we are not convert, but the computer can convert this decimal number into the binary numbers. So binary numbers, but the user also know about how the computer can convert these numbers into a binary number. But our convention. So usually we can treat the numbers as in the form of 8421. So this code we can call it as 8421 code. We can call it as BCD code, binary coded decimal. BCD, binary coded decimal. So here we can convert our decimal numbers using the format called binary coded decimal. This is the binary coded decimal format. This one and this one is a binary code 8421. So how we can write these numbers in this format? So once you need to write the zero, you need to write the zero in the binary format. So you can place all the zeros in the 8th place 0, 4th place 0, in the 2 place 0, and in the 1 place also 0. So you need to write the number as 1, decimal number 1. You can convert into a binary number. So you need to simply place the 1 in the place of 1's place. And you need to write, you can take the any number. Suppose you can take the number as a 4. So in the 4th place, I write the 1, and in the remaining places, I write the 0. And you can consider the number as a 8. So in the place of 8, I keep the 1, and in the remaining places, I keep the 0. And what about the number 9? So in the number 9 also, you can combine those two numbers. That is 8 plus 1 is the 9. So in the 8th place, I keep the 1, and in the 1 place, I keep the 1. So 8 plus 9 is the 8 plus 1 is the 9. So suppose you can consider this number So 6, when we combine the 4 plus 2 as a 6, so in the 4 place I keep the 1 and in the 2 place I keep the 1. So right like that you need to write the numbers. So is it clear to all? If you have any
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
please
Sir,
unmute one by one. Ask one by one. Yes,
Sir, we need to
yeah,
only
tell me.
take numbers from 0 to 9 only from 0 to 9. Only
Yes.
those 10 numbers.
No. That's the question I am asking. Suppose, okay. So suppose you need to write the numbers from. So what is the formula? Same formula. So you need to write the number as a 10. So how you need to add? Which numbers you need to add?
0.
1
0
0
1 0.
1
8 and 2 will
1
be
0.
added. So
1
in
0.
the 8th place,
1 0.
and
1
in
0
the
1 0.
2 place I keep the okay. So what is the number now? 1010 is the 10. And now write the 11. What about 11?
1 0 1
So
1
in the 8th place, 1, 8 plus 4
1
plus
0 1 1.
8 plus 2 plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So 8 plus 2 plus
Yes,
1.
sir.
8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, next, what about 12?
Double 1 double 0.
12 means
We can
8
write, sir.
plus 4,
1 1 0
12.
0.
1 1 0 0.
Okay, next, what about 13? 13 is
1
like
1
8
double
0
plus
1
4
0
plus
1.
1.
0, 1.
Sir, like that,
Okay, 8 plus,
how many
Up
times we need to continue?
wait, ma. You can write up to,
to
okay, 8 plus 4 plus 2, 0, right.
15.
So 15,
1.
4 ones, right?
1 1 1 1.
All 1,
All
sir.
1, sir. 14 all 1s. How to write the
All ones.
16?
Okay. So now how to write the 16 number? Now how to write the 16, right? So how to
Yes,
write the
sir.
16? Is it clear to all up to now? Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So listen. Okay. So now our doubt is to how to write 16, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. What is our formula?
8 4 2 1.
What is our
8 4
code?
2 1. 8 4 2
8,
8 4 2 1.
8,
8 4 2
4,
1.
2, 1.
8 4 2 1.
Okay. You can extend the
1.
formula. You can put the 16 here.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Are you clear? I am
Yes,
extending
sir.
the formula. That is, up to now I am writing
Yes, sir.
8421. So in the left hand side, I am keeping that as a 16. Now you need the number as 16, right? So
Yes, sir.
this one, in the remaining places, are 0. So this is number 16. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
so now, for how much time you need to write like this? So you need to write up to, you need to fill, you can use this formula up to in the 8, in the 16 place 1, 8 place 1, and 4 place 1, 2 place 1, and so now calculate this number, that is 16 plus 8, 24, right? 24 plus 4,
28.
Total
28,
31
sir.
28.
numbers.
31,
Up
sir.
to 31 numbers we can write.
So up
31.
to 31 you can write. Up
Mm.
to
Sir.
31 you can write. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So sir, I need 32. So you need to keep the 32.
32 left.
You need to keep the
16.
32. So you can
Yes,
write
sir.
up to 60. You can write up to 63 using 32. So you need number as a 64. So you need to keep. Okay. Now you have an idea. So this is 2 power 0, right? 2 power 0 we can call it as Did you understand this?
Checking, sir. Your voice.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay. So here, did you understand this one? That is, if you write the up to 15, you can use this up to 8. Okay. You can use up to 8. You can write up to 15. You can write up to 33. You can use 16. You can write up to 63. You can use 32. You can write up to 127. You can use 64. So you can
Sir,
observe one thing here.
Sir, I found a
Tell me.
basic point, sir.
Best.
Sir, I didn't understand,
Double. We
sir.
have to double the numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can understand that. So here you can write the 1 as a 2 power 0.
2 power 0.
2 power 0 means what is the number? 2 power 0 means 1, right? Okay. Next, this is 2 power 1,
2 power 1.
and this is 2
Square.
power 2. This is 2
2.
power
2 power
2
3,
power 3.
2 power 4,
4,
2 power 5,
5,
2
2 power
power
6.
6.
And 2 power 6.
So like that it will be extended. Like
Sir, I
that it will
didn't.
be extended, right? You didn't get you?
Sir, I didn't
Okay, so
got.
here I am writing this code in the 2 powers. So here 1 will be written as 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes, listen to me. You are unmuting the mic and you are keeping like that only. So automatically voice disturbance will be created. In the morning session, nothing disturbance was there. No disturbance was there. Now it is created because of you are unmuting the mic. Okay, please listen to me. Mute the mic while Sar is saying. Later, whenever you want to, I will give the chance to ask doubt. Then you can unmute. Okay, that too one by one. Please mute your mics.
After response, please mute yourself. After response, please mute yourself.
Please
Okay.
again, sir.
Sorry.
Can you please explain again, sir?
Sorry.
Please
Okay.
explain again, sir.
Okay. From 8421 onwards or from the starting onwards?
From 8421 onwards, sir. I didn't understand.
From the starting onwards.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait, ma, mute yourself. I will explain.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All of you listen once again. Please mute yourself. So the computer can understand only the machine language. Machine language means that is also called as a binary language. So what is the binary language? Binary language can use the numbers as either it will use the 0 or it will use the 1. So either it will use the 0 or 1. So that language we can call it as a binary language. Every computer can understand which type of language, that is only binary language. So in this session, we have discussed that we use the one formula to convert the numbers, that is decimal numbers, into a binary numbers using the one formula. That is, what is the formula here I am using? 8421. Actually, that is not a formula, that is a code. That code we can call it as binary decimal code. So BCD code. This code we can call it as a BCD code, binary coded decimal code, binary coded decimal, BCD. Okay, So here you need to write the number as 0. So you need to place all the zeros in the places. In the eighth row, in the eighth place, in the fourth place, and in the zero, one, two place, and in the one place, you can keep all the zeros to represent the our decimal number as a 0. And next one. So you need to keep the number as a 0, 0, 0, and in the place of 1, I keep the 1. And how to represent the 2? So 2 will be represented as 0, 0. In the place of 2, I keep the 1, and in the remaining places, I keep the 0. So you write the number 3. So you need to add the two numbers, that is 2 plus 1, you get the 3. For that purpose, I use the in the 2 place 1 and in the 1 place also 1. And how to write the 4? So in the 0 place, in the 8 place 0 place, the 1, and in the remaining places I keep the 0. Is it clear to you? Those who are asking doubts.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Only only one can unmute yourself. Those who are asking the doubt. So tell me how to write the 5.
Sir, may I? 0, 1,
Yes.
0, 1.
4 plus 1.
0, 1, 0. Right.
0101.
Okay. Is it clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So like that you can write the 8, like that you can write the 6, 7, 8, and 9. You can write
Like
all the
up
numbers
to
like
9.
that. So you can up to which number you can write
Up to
using
9. 15.
8421. So using 8421 up to 15 only you can write up to 15 only. Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
1, 1, 1, 1. So all the ones are filled. So whenever you write the 16, so you can
Yeah.
place you can extend the code as you can extend the code to 16. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes,
So if
sir.
you want to write the 16, you need to extend the code 168421. You need to write. You can write like that. So if for up to the 33, you can use the 16. So after that, you need to you need to get the 32. Use the 32. Okay, so here you need to write the 16, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. You can use this one. So whenever we can fill all these, so you will get the number as a 31. So you keep the 1, 1, 1, 1 in all places. What is the number? 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28. And this number is the 31. Sorry, 31. So you need to get the 32, keep the 32 here. So and next one, this number will be extended up to 63. So you need to write the 64, the number. This left hand side will be increased always. So here I am using the formula, that is, so you need to keep the 2 power 0 as a 1, and this 2 power 1, and this is 2 power 2,
2
2
power
power
3.
4, 2 power 5, 2 power 5, and 2 power 6. So like this we need to extend, right? Like this we need to extend. Is it clear to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir. So how many numbers we discussed so far? So we have discussed the two numbers. So the first number is the decimal number. Decimal number, and second one is the binary number. Okay, so the decimal number. consists of how many numbers? So any number that is framed by using the numbers called 0 to 9. Okay, the number consists of the digits 0 to 9, then we can call it as a decimal number. Suppose I will write the number 1024. So this is a one number. So whenever we see the number, you can't understand this is a decimal number or whatever the number. So this is a decimal number. Why? Because the decimal number. Just now I told. All of you, please mute. Please mute. So decimal number, the decimal number. So here one is in between the 0 and 9. 0 is also in the 0 to 9. 2 is also in the 0 to 9. 4 is also 0 to 9. So you can simply call it as this is a decimal number. So decimal number will be identified using the base called 10. So decimal number is identified by using the base 10. Okay. So next one, come to the binary number. So this is the decimal number. Come to the binary number 10110 like. So decimal number in decimal number the number is framed by using the numbers called 0 to 9. Either it will use the 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 up to 9. So any 0 to 9 numbers that are included in a one number we can call it as a decimal number. So here, but in the binary number, only the two numbers, either it will be included 0 or it will be included 1. So only two numbers are included, either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1 will be there. Either 0 or 1 will be there in a binary number. You can see this number, it have either 0 or 1. Only two numbers are there. Another numbers are not there. So we can simply call it as a binary number. So what is the base for this binary number? So here 10 numbers are there. Up to from the 0 to 9, there are 10 numbers are there. So you can write the base as a 10. But in the binary number, so how many numbers are there? Only two numbers are there. So the base is the 2. Is it clear? How many numbers are there in a binary number? Either 0 or 1. So base is the 2.
Yes, sir.
So but in the decimal number, so 0 to 9, total 10 numbers are there. 10 numbers are there. So what is the base for the decimal number? 10 is the
10.
base.
10.
So you simply see the number and you can see the base of the number. You can identify. So that is a decimal number or binary number. So I am writing another number 5, 3, 4. So you can say what is this number? Here I am writing what is the base?
Binary.
Which concept, ma? From the decimal number onwards?
Octal number system.
Okay. So here 5, 3, 4. I will explain, ma. Once again, I will explain. No problem. Please wait. So here, how many numbers are there? 5, 3, 4. But here I am using the number as I am not using the number 10. I am using the number as a 8. So whenever you use the 8 as a base, that type of numbers I can call it as octal numbers. 8 means octal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 10 means decimal.
Decimal number.
1010. 2 means
Binary number.
binary. 8 means octal. Okay,
Octal.
I will write one more number here. Here, what is the base for this number?
16.
The number is 7F4B. Okay, base is 16. So 16 means hexadecimal number. What is the number? Hexadecimal number. So if the number consists of a if the number consists of base 10, then we can call it as a decimal number. If the number consists of base 2, we can call it as a binary number. If the number consists of 8, base 8, octal number, the number consists of base 16, hexadecimal number. So you can see the number, hexadecimal number, 7, capital F, this one is the capital F, 7, F4B. Okay, where it will come? So we can't see FB here. So what is F and what is B? So in a 8421 format, okay, in a 8421 format, in a 8421 format, so we have discussed that from the 9 onwards, from the 10 onwards, we can take it as a 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. Did you understand this?
No, sir.
Sir, please
Sir, I
repeat
didn't
once
Okay,
again.
understand.
you can
No, sir.
Sir, once again.
Repeat
Sir,
it,
once
sir.
again.
Once again, repeat, sir.
okay, I will repeat once again. In a 8421, you can write up to the 9. What is the 9? What is the 9 number in binary?
1001. 1001.
1001.
1001. Please mute. Now please mute. Okay, mute, ma, mute. So now you need to write the 10. What is the number
1010.
10? 1010 is the 10.
10.
Okay, in computer point of view, you can't say as a 10. You can say it as a, capital A. All of you, please mute, listen my. All of you, please mute. In computer point of view, we can't say 10. We can call it as A, capital A. Okay. So in computer point of view, you can't say 11. You say it as a B. And 12, we can say it as a C. 13
C.
D. 14 E. 15
E.
F.
E. F.
15 F. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, starting from 10 or 11, sir?
10.
From 10.
So you can write 10. You can represent the 10 as a A. A means you can understand that. That is a 10 number. B means
10 number.
okay. 11 means B. 12 means C. 13 means D.
E.
14 means E. 15 means F. So you don't confuse about this one. What is the number I wrote now? 7 F
F.
4
A.
B.
4P.
Okay. So F means that is a 15. You can understand that is a 15 number.
50.
P means you can understand that 11. Okay. So this is the representation of hexadecimal number. Okay. So just one more number I told, that is 354 is the octal number. So octal number means how many numbers? That is the numbers that is framed from the 0 to 7. Only from the 0 to 7 we can call it as octal number. So you can consider the 0 also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 8 numbers. So the number is in between the 0 to 7. We can call it as. So you can consider the 3. So 3 is in between the 0 and 7. 4, 5 in between the 0 to 7. 4 is in between the 0 to 7. So I can simply call it as a octal number. So you can't specify like this. B 5 4. I write the base as a 8. Is it a octal number? This is not the octal number. Why? Because
No,
here I
sir.
am keeping
No.
the hexadecimal
11.
number. Here I am keeping the hexadecimal number. So octal number, right? So like that you can understand the number system. Okay. So is it clear to all of you? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఏదమ్మా
3548 నుంచి మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్?
ఏది చెప్పాలి ఒక్కసారి? ఏది అందరూ మ్యూట్ చేయండి, నువ్వు ఒక్కటే అనమే మాట్లాడు. ఏది ఒక్కసారి చెప్పాలి?
సార్ ఈ పాయింట్ దాని ముందు పాయింట్ సార్.
ఈ పాయింట్ దాని ముందు పాయింట్. ఈ పాయింట్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ ఈ పాయింట్ చెప్తాను. ఫస్ట్ ఈ ముందు పాయింట్ చెప్తాను. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనము ఇందాక ఒక కోడ్ తీసుకున్నాం, 8421 అనే కోడ్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా. సో 8421 కోడ్ లో యూ కెన్ రైట్ అప్ టు 1001 అంటే 9 కదా. ఇది 1001 అంటే 9. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ మనకు వచ్చే నెంబర్ ఏమన్నాము? 10 అన్నాము. ఓకే, so in computer point of view, so you can't say 10. You can say that is a capital A. Capital A means 10. You can understand. Capital A means 10. Capital B means 11. Capital C means 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 15 means what is the number? 15 means capital F. Okay, so you can see this number. So here I am writing this as a 7. F means 15, 4, B means 11. So here I am giving the code as a 16, base as a 16. So what is this number? Whenever the base is 16 means that is a hexadecimal number. Base is 16 means hexadecimal number, and base is 8 means octal number. So you can consider this what is this here? B54 అని రాశాను. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ బేస్ మాత్రం 8 అని ఇచ్చాను. బేస్ వచ్చేసి 8 అని ఇచ్చాను. బి అనేది ఏంటి? హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నెంబర్. బి ఈజ్ ఏ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నెంబర్. బట్ ఇక్కడ నేను ఇచ్చిన బేస్ ఏంటి? 8. సో ఇలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ లో దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ ఆక్టల్ నెంబర్ అని చెప్తాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ ఆక్టల్ నెంబర్. సో హియర్ దే గివ్ ద నెంబర్ యాజ్ ఏ hexadecimal number, but they keep the base as a 8. 8 means octal number. So here this is not a octal number, that is a hexadecimal number we need to say.
Sir,
అర్థమైందా?
sir,
ఒక్కరు అడగండి.
last letter should be F itself, sir. F itself should be last.
ఏంటమ్మా?
In hexadecimal number,
F it should be last.
F itself will be the last number, sir.
Wait. అర్థం కాలే. F it should be last number. F is a last number in the hexadecimal. Hexadecimal base is up to 0 to 15 mark. Once
Okay.
I will clarify the total bases.
Sir, can we
Excuse
extend
me,
this
sir.
to any number?
Okay.
Any number of this?
You can write it any number. Any number.
The example you took 5.
Okay, so now I will clarify the bases for you. You can take the decimal number. Wait 1 minute. After that, you can continue. Okay, so what is the base for the decimal number? Decimal number base is the 10. Why? Because you can consider from the 0 to 9, that decimal number base is 10. And come to the binary number, base is the 2. Why? Because either you can choose the 0 or 1. And come to the octal number. Octal number, O means octal. So base is the 8. So that is from the 0 to 7. And next one, next number is hexadecimal H. Okay, so that is 16. Base is the 16 from. So here 0 to 9 you can use comma and A to F. So this is the range. A to F.
Excuse me, sir.
Wait. One Dikshna. Arshia, you are asking the doubt as a 1024. Sir, 1024, either you can use the 8 or you can use the 10, depend on the situation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why? Because 1024 is included in the octal and as well as in the decimal. So depend on the base, you can consider the number. Depend on the case, you can consider the number. Either suppose they will give, anyone can give the base as a 8 means. Now 1024 is a octal number. Anyone can base as a 1028 as a base as a 10. So you can consider that as a decimal number. Okay, depend on the base only, you can decide whether that is a decimal number or binary number or octal number or hexadecimal number. So, but in this part, this is a different. Okay, anyone, any person can give that like this 5b4 and give the base as a 8 means. So this is a hexadecimal number, but they give the base as a 8. So this will entirely wrong. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts up to now? Okay, so here in this session, we have discussed how to represent the numbers using the BCD, that is binary coded decimal, and how to, what are the number systems in a computer point of view. There are the majorly 4 number system: decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. These are the 4 number systems. So in the next session, how to convert the one number system to another number system. For example, I will give the one number and you can also try. After that, I will explain. So this is 16 is the, I can call this 16 is a base 10. So I need this number in the form of base 2. So here, what is the base for this number? This is the base 10. 16 is the decimal number. I need this number in the binary format. So how you need to convert this 16? Automatically you can write, by using the 8421. That is very simple. Using the 84, what is the number? 16 is the decimal number. 16 is the decimal number. 10, base 10. So I need this number in the form of binary number. So you need to convert by using, you need to convert the number by using your BCD. But is there is another way to convert the number in a binary format? So that we will explain in a next class. So you can simply write the number as a, by using the 8421 and write the 16. So in the 16 place you can keep the 1 and in the remaining places you can keep the 0. So what is the binary number? 140 is the binary number. So this is the format. You need to convert like this also. But we have some simple technique to convert this number. So I will explain that in the next class. Is it clear to all? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So we will
sir,
continue in the
looks
next
like
class.
nearby.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry,
Thank you,
sorry.
sir.
What happened?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse
Okay.
me, sir.
Yeah, ask.
Yes, sir.
Just mute all. Mute all, mute your
Sir,
Sorry.
Sir, I didn't
Excuse me,
understand
sir.
last.
Ma?
sir, it looks somewhat confusion, sir.
Or what, madam?
Sir, last
Confused.
part again, sir.
మిగతా వాళ్ళు కొద్దిగా మ్యూట్ చేయండి, మాట్లాడే వాళ్ళని మాట్లాడనియండి కొద్దిగా.
Sir, we
మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఎవరో
didn't
mute
listen
చేయండి.
last.
హలో, వినిపిస్తుందమ్మా? నా
Hello,
వాయిస్
sir.
వినిపిస్తుందా? నా
Hello,
వాయిస్
sir.
వినిపిస్తుందా?
Interesting, sir.
వినండి, అందరు వినండి ఒకసారి. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ మిస్ అయిపోయాను నేను, ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదు అన్నట్టుగా మైండ్ లో నుంచి పక్క పెట్టేసి ఫస్ట్. బికాస్ ఇది బిట్స్ కోర్స్ జనరల్ గా మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు చాలా వరకు గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి జస్ట్ బేసిక్స్ చెప్తున్నారమ్మా, మీరేం వరి కాకండి. ఇవన్నీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ లో మీకు ఏదో రేపు ఎగ్జామ్ లో వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏం కావు, ఓకేనా? అలా అని చెప్పేసి ఎక్కువగా వరి కూడా ఏం అవసరం లేదు. ఈ రోజే జాయిన్ అయ్యాను, ఈ రోజే ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అని చెప్పేసి కొంతమంది కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు, ఓకేనా? మీరు అవన్నీ మైండ్ నుంచి పక్క పెట్టేసి, అది కాకుండా టెక్నికల్ ఇష్యూస్ చెప్పాలంటే మేము మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత మీకు అక్కడ మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా 2 to 3 seconds గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చుకొని మీకు వాయిస్ అనేది వినిపిస్తుంది. కొంతమందికి మరీ 1 minute గ్యాప్ వచ్చిందంటే దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం. అది మీ నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం చూసుకొని మీరు కూర్చోండి. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే కనెక్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత మీరు అటు ఇటు మొబైల్ ఫోన్ ని షేక్ చేసుకుంటూ మాత్రం వినకండి. ఒక దగ్గర కూర్చోండి, ప్రాపర్ గా మ్యూట్ లో ఉండి వినండి. క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
ఈస్ దర్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లం? చెప్పమ్మా ఎవరో ఒకరు.
డౌట్
యా
మే sir
మా
sir
కీర్తియా
for decimal
మాట్లాడుకోవాలి.
Ashita
అర్షిత
sir, for hexa and decimal the numbers are from 0 to 9 no sir.
ఏంటమ్మా ఏంటి మరోసారి చెప్పు.
Hexa ki
హెక్సాడెసిమల్ కి 0 to 15. హెక్సాడెసిమల్.
ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్.
ఒక సెకండ్ ఆగమ్మా, ఒక సెకండ్. చెప్పమ్మా
sir, ఇప్పుడు decimal number ki numbers from 0 to 9 కదా sir, decimal number ki.
అవును.
Hexa ki కూడా 0 to 9 కదా sir.
0 to 9 ఉంటుంది, A to F ఉంటుంది.
ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ ఒక నెంబర్ కి వస్తే అది హెక్సానా డెసిమల్ అని ఎట్లా రాస్తాం సార్? ఒక నెంబర్ ఇస్తే
డిపెండ్స్
రెండు
ఆన్ ద
సేమ్
బేస్.
గా
మనకి బేస్ ఇస్తారు కదా, బేస్ ఇవ్వాలి. డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ అయితే కింద బేస్ 10 ఇస్తారు, హెక్సాడెసిమల్ అయితే కింద బేస్ 16 ఇస్తారు. ఓకేనా? బేస్ ని బట్టి మనం
ఐ థాట్ బేస్ మనమే అని అనుకున్నా సార్ నేను.
మనం రాయము, మనం బేస్ ఇస్తారు, ఏదైనా బేస్ ఇస్తారు. బేస్ ఇవ్వకపోతే మనం యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్. బేస్ ఇవ్వకపోతే హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నెంబర్ లో ఎఫ్ బి ఇలా ఉంటే యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నెంబర్.
క్లియర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
సార్ ఒక డౌట్ వచ్చింది సార్ నాకు.
వచ్చిందా? అడుగు
సార్ ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇందాక ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పారు కదా 4B బేస్ 16 ఇచ్చి.
అవునమ్మా.
ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఒకవేళ వేరే నెంబర్ ఫర్ సపోజ్ అక్కడ సి ఉంది అనుకోండి సార్,
ఏది ఉన్నా అది హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. అక్కడ బేస్ తప్పిస్తే రాంగ్, ఆ నెంబర్ రాంగ్.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి అమ్మా, అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి. మ్యూట్ అయిపోయింది, అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి మాట్లాడు. వర్షితనా మాట్లాడేది? వర్షిత అన్మ్యూట్ చేయి.
సార్ మీరు లాస్ట్ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్ 64841 అని.
అవునమ్మా.
అది నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు సార్, ఎలా చేయాలో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
మళ్ళీ నేను నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చెప్తాను సార్, మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి నీకు. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఏంటి 8421 అర్థం కాలేదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
8421 అనేది బైనరీలోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తామమ్మా. 8421. ఓకే, సో 0 రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి అంటే యూ నీడ్ ద జీరోస్. డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ లో 0 రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలంటే అన్నిట్లో 0. 1 రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలంటే సో అన్ని ప్లేస్లలో 0, ఓన్లీ 1 ప్లేస్ లో మాత్రమే 1 పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ 1 ప్లేస్ లో. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 1 2 రాయాలి అంటే ఏ ప్లేస్ లో పెట్టాలి చెప్పు, నువ్వే చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు.
2 ప్లేస్ లో సార్ 1 పెట్టాలి.
2 ప్లేస్ లో 1 పెట్టాలి, మిగతా ప్లేస్ లో 0 పెట్టాలి. సో ఓకే, 2 ప్లేస్ లో 1 పెట్టాలి, మిగతా ప్లేస్ లో 0 పెట్టాలి. 3 అంటే ఏంటి? 2 + 1 3 కదా, అంటే 2 ప్లేస్ లో 1, 1 ప్లేస్ లో 1. ఓకే, 4 రాయాలి అంటే 4 అంటే
0 1 0 0.
మిగతా ప్లేసెస్ లో 0 పెట్టాలి.
ఓకే సార్
5 రాయాలి అంటే 5 అంటే 8
0 1
ప్లేస్
0 1.
ప్లేస్ లో 1 ప్లేస్ లో 1.
అంతే. 6 రాయాలి అంటే 4 ప్లేస్ లో 1
0
2
1
ప్లేస్
1
లో
0.
5. ఓకే, వచ్చేసిందా? ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా డౌట్స్?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా?
థ్యాంక్ యూ
సార్ నాకు ఒక డౌట్ ఉంది సార్.
చెప్పండి.
లాస్ట్ లో మీరు 16 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base 2 అని ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చారు కదా.
అవునమ్మా.
అది మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసింది నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు 16 4 2 1 అని రాస్తున్నాను. నీకు ఏ నెంబర్ ఇస్తాను? 16 అనేది ఇస్తాను, డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తాను. 16 డెసిమల్ నెంబర్. ఏ నెంబర్ కావాలి దాంట్లో? బైనరీ. 16 బైనరీ నెంబర్ కావాలి. యూజింగ్ 8421 నువ్వు సాల్వ్ చేయకు. అలా బైనరీ నెంబర్ కావాలి, బేస్ 2. సో మీకు ఒక ఫార్ములా తెలుసు. 16 అంటే 16 ప్లేస్ లో 1 పెట్టాను, మిగతా ప్లేసెస్ లో 0 పెట్టాను. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద అంటే బైనరీ నెంబర్ ఏంటి? 1 0 0 0 0 ఈస్ ద బైనరీ నెంబర్ ఫర్ ద 16.
మీ వాయిస్
అర్థమైంది
సరిగ్గా సార్, మొత్తం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది.
అమ్మా? ఇప్పుడు 16 అనేది డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ కదా.
ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్. ఒకసారి ఆగండి. డౌట్ అడిగింది ఎవరమ్మా?
సార్ డౌట్ నేను అడిగాను సార్, నాగవల్లి.
డౌట్ ఉదయశ్రీ. నేను కాదు, పేరు చెప్పండి. డౌట్ ఉదయశ్రీ. మ్యూట్ చేసిన ఇప్పుడు